This question asks to find out the true statements regarding SN1, SN2, E1 and E2 mechanism. The first statement is the mechanism involves carbocation intermediate. This statement is true for SN1 and E1 mechanism. They both involve formation of a stable carbocation intermediate. Statement B. The mechanism has two steps. SN1 and E1 are two steps mechanism. SN1 involves formation of a carbocation first, followed by addition of a nucleophile. The E1 mechanism also involves two steps. First step is formation of a carbocation, followed by removal of beta proton and formation of a double bond. Statement C is the reaction rate increases with better leaving groups. Better leaving groups has influence on SN1, SN2, E1 and E2 mechanism. The rate of all these mechanisms will increase with better leaving group. Statement D. The reaction rate increases when the solvent is changed from methanol to dimethyl sulfoxide. Methanol is a protic solvent and dimethyl sulfoxide is an aprotic solvent. Both SN2 and E2 increases their rate when the solvent changes from polar protic to polar aprotic solvent. Next statement is the reaction rate depends on the concentration of the alkyl halide only. SN1 and E1 are first order reaction and their rate depends upon the concentration of alkyl halide. Next statement is F. The mechanism is concerted. Both SN2 and E2 are concerted reactions. Next statement is the reaction of ethyl bromide with sodium hydroxide occurs by this mechanism. Ethyl bromide is a primary halide and sodium hydroxide is a strong base. In this case, the reaction is substitution and it will be called as a SN2 reaction. Racemization occurs at stereogenic centers. For racemization to occur, a carbocation formation is essential. And carbocation forms in SN1 reaction. So this statement is true for SN1. The next statement, I, is tertiary alkyl halides react faster than secondary or primary alkyl halide. This statement is true for SN1, E1, and E2 mechanism. Last statement, J, is E2 and SN2 reactions follow second order rate equation. The statement is the reaction follows a second order rate equation. SN2 and E2, both these mechanisms follow second order rate equation. The two represent the second order reaction.